Welcome back guys to another video. In today's video, it's going to be how to care for your trap jaws. The first thing I'm going to discuss is feeding. For protein, I give my trap jaws small invertebrates depending on the size of the colony. For protein sources, you can use small spiders or spider legs, crickets or cricket legs, small winged creatures like grasshoppers, termite, ALATES, etc. For sugars, I use honey. I dab a little in the test tube or container that the queen or colony is in, and they will drink it. Queen sadly died, maybe because it was injured before we acquired it. Second, we'll discuss housing. You can do the 2-in-1 method, which is the outworld and the formicarium in one container. Or you can do a naturalistic setup, which is just a small container or large container, whatever you prefer, and fill it with dirt or any substrate of your choice. You can go with the traditional test tube setup. This is irrelevant to the topic right now, but I just wanted to announce I think my trap jaw queen has just had their first worker eclosed. Okay, so the last thing we're going to discuss is safety. In this clip, you can see that the trap jaws are attacking, biting, and stinging this spider. And if you're not careful, this could be your finger. In my experience, trap jaws will protect the colony at all costs. Like in this clip, the trap jaw goes flying across the container after it bites this tweezer. It is important that you use tweezers around trap jaws because they can close their jaws at 143 miles per hour, which can be very painful. Trap jaws can also sting, which is very bad if you have an allergic reaction to the sting. This is another reason why I recommend tweezers. Now this is all I'm going to discuss today. I hope I was able to help you with the trap jaw care. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.